meets girl and the world stops turning. She makes him forget all the rules he was learning. They give a toast to the ones who never stop hoping, with not much to lean on and eyes wide open. Then they look up high and wonder what the future's gonna hold. When we look back down on 99 years of a wonderful life, when we laughed and we cried and our love grew stronger with every fight, there'll be 1,000 moments for you to say I told you, and 1,000,000 more for us to say I love you. So let's look forward to you and I looking back at 99 years like that, and 99 years like that.
They built a house of love in the face of worry. But life has a way of rewriting the story. There were times when it looked like nothing could save them, and there were times when it looked like nothing could break them.
They keep promising each other